Hello guys, and where did Race go? Oh, he's right there. And guys, here's the sad thing. I lost my channel, and I am very sad about that. Okay, come down here. We wanna all those haters out there. If you reported me, I swear. Jackson, give me. Okay, guys, yeah. My cousin, he lost his YouTube channel.
But I have Cloud Creepy, so make sure to subscribe.
Yeah, he said that a hacker, he took a burger and put it on the tree monster, and he shrunk the tree monster and ate the tree monster with the burger. That's what he said, but I don't know. It's not possible to shrink a tree, put the tree in a burger and make a tree burger and then bite it. Like, I don't know how he did it, but the hacker ate the whole tree burger. And the whole tree burger disappeared, and the tree was gone. Poor tree. And now, Tree Monster Games is nothing but clowns. Creepy! I want to show my... Did you just send it? Look at him, look at him. No, I didn't.
I know you did.
Doggo! Doggo! Run! Jackson, run!
Drop it.
Run! I'm safe. Okay, I'm safe.
So hi guys. Welcome to my video. End it.
Okay, guys. We wanna say, where's Race? Race is a